lathe?
Lathe, yeah.
That's a lathe. That's the biggest lathe I've ever seen.
And then over this side, in the back.
Hey, I'm Mark. I'm the Materials Treatment and Processing Engineer here at Rodin Cars. It was great to have Liam Lawson here today and show him through the new facility here. As you can see, the production facility is taking shape pretty well. We've got a lot of new equipment in place. The facility itself, the buildings are coming together, but we've still got a lot of work to do to finalise it all, but we're nearly there.
First time in here and honestly can't really believe what's happened so quickly since I was here last time. This was the building itself was still being built, so to see what's now in it and the gear that's in here is very, very cool, and honestly I'm just excited to see what it's like in another 12 months.
It's fantastic to have somebody of Liam's calibre come through and see how we progress in here and see some of the equipment that's required to produce the cars that we make. From all the guys here at Rodin, we wish you all the best for your upcoming F2 season in 2022. Bring it home for the boys.